Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna try making Jenny Jones bread. I had no idea that Jenny Jones cooked or had this whole website, so go check out jennycancook.com for the full recipe. Even though I'm gonna go through it here, I wanna see if this is legit. I'm gonna start with 3 cups of all-purpose flour, but when you're measuring the flour, Jenny says here you want to aerate the flour. Stir it around, open the flour up, push off the top, and that is 1 cup. That's 2 cups, and cup number 3. The next step is the 1/4 cup of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm pouring my 1.5 cups of water in there. Oh, it's a good day when it comes out. Oh, it's not a good day. All right, I'm just gonna do this to show you guys what it looks like in there. Jenny says let it sit for 3 hours. I have some yard work I'm gonna do today, so I'm gonna go out, work in the yard, come back in 3 hours, and finish the rest of it up. All right, it's been 3 hours. It looks puffy and dotted with bubbles. I hope it's right. Flour out here. Just using my hand to take it out. I don't have a scraper, I'm using a pizza cutter. Soft and so pretty. Got a nice ball of bread. Dropping it into my parchment. Powdered surface there. Cover with our towel here. So exciting. So my oven's done preheating. My timer for the bread rest though still has 17 minutes left. I think I'm gonna put it in early. I know it seems obvious, but you want to wear oven mitts when you're doing this. Super hot. So be very careful with the parchment paper, putting it right into the Dutch oven. It says 10 or 15 minutes. So exciting! Like drum roll, oven mitt roll. Oh, you guys, it looks so good. Ah, feels so good. Should probably get some new oven mitts though. I can see I've gotten close to the fire a few times. All right, you guys. Oh, it's beautiful. I made bread, I'm so excited. And it's so pretty. And there is beautiful Jenny bread. Guys, it's bread. Again, if you want the full recipe, go to jennycancook.com. Jenny Jones, you might know her if you're old enough. Thank you, Jenny Can Cook, for this great bread. Cannot wait to eat this. Again, I'm Lindsay. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.